Makeup girlies, come to the front. You're gonna want to see this. I was sent this gorgeous package from the beautiful Nicole from Express Beauty. Her handle is in the caption down below. Please go give her a follow. This is such a special package and moment for us girlies in South Africa, especially if you're a lover of high-end and bougie makeup. Let's open up this gorgeous makeup bag that is, by the feel of it, stacked with makeup products. Oh my goodness. So there are two different brands of makeup in this package. The one is Jvone Milano, and this is imported makeup from Milan, Italy. And then the other is Amelia from Spain. I'm gonna go from the top. So the first is the Amelia liquid concealer. Please look at that. She's cruelty free, which we love and adore. So Nicole did tell me that this shade is a little bit darker to use as a contour shade, as they're still waiting for their contour products. And let's give her a little bit of a swatch. That is so pigmented. Look at that. Wow. And it's made in Spain. And next from Amelia is this nail polish gel effect, a Jvone Milano classic brow eyebrow pencil. This is what it looks like. It's got a spoolie brush, pencil. Let's also swatch this. I'm actually shocked by how smooth this glided on. Then we also have an extra pigment lip pencil. Ooh, that's really pretty. Wow, that is so smooth. Next is a Smooth Lips matte lipstick from Jvone Milano. Such stunning and luxurious packaging. Wow, how absolutely beautiful. And the best part about this makeup is it's infused with skincare. It's not just applying makeup, we're actually getting the benefits of skincare as well. Oh wow, it's buttery soft. Ooh, but this packaging, and this is so heavy, I wish you could feel the weight. And then this is the Jvone Milano eye pencil. Quality is insane. It's like so smooth. A volume attraction mascara with a panoramic effect. This is so beautiful. I love a one like this that separates the lashes, and it's got panthenol in as well. Skincare, hello. The next product is a light on compact powder with hyaluronic acid. This is a highlighter. Did I say powder? This is a highlighter. I don't know why I thought this is a powder. That is so beautiful. I need to swatch this. I mean, come on. No. Just, if that is not the most beautiful highlighter you've seen in a hot minute. Wow. Next up is a Last Tint matte liquid lipstick, which is long lasting. This is gonna be beautiful, I can just tell. Another product from Amelia. This, oh my word, this blush looks beautiful. Time to swatch. Let's just swatch her right then and no. Let me show you. Oh, is it so pigmented, guys? Did you just see that? Oh my word, I'm so excited to play around with this, but look at how pigmented that is. And then next up is Amelia Perfect Set Eyeshadow with long-lasting high coverage and intense color. Ooh, that's so beautiful. Time for a swatch. Okay, let's just go 1, 2, 3, 4. One dip. I don't know even where to swatch anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the highlight. This baby over here. How beautiful. You'll pick her up there. See? I tapped into it with the most lightest swatch ever. and they're buttery. They feel so soft. We're down to the last two products. This is a color serum, medium coverage liquid foundation with hyaluronic acid and shea butter. How beautiful is this packaging not? I can't get over it. Jvone Milano. This is in the shade NW15. Last but definitely not least is the Jvone Milano Shadows Library Hanami Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my goodness. No. Wow. I can just already envision all of the eyeshadow looks that I'll be able to create with this. This quality is absolutely insane. This is high-end makeup. It's imported from Spain and Italy. So definitely go check out Express Beauty's website. I'll put it down below and on the screen for you to go check them out. Not only that, it's literally infused with skincare. So why wouldn't you wanna? It just makes sense. Let me know what products you want me to go into more detail and showcase specifically. Thank you so much once again, Nicole from Express Beauty, for sending me this gorgeous, amazing and phenomenal package filled with all of these amazing makeup products. I cannot wait to play with these goodies, and most definitely go give her a follow and support her page. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, girlies. I'm just so excited, and thank you for watching. Keep well. Bye.